Q1, Q2 divided by distance is R12. Finish. Only, these are not option previous. Only two forces are acting there. Two charges. Only one charge can act. Next Q3. Q3, how many potentials can act? Two potential. K, Q1, Q3 by R13. Are you clear, everybody? Plus one more. This one over, next this one. So K, Q2, Q3 by R23. R23. Alright? So before Q4 not there. Don't say sir Q4 also can give like that only. Q4 still we did not bring. Now we will bring. Now Q4 I brought here. So now on the Q4 how many forces are there? First with respect to Q1. So K into Q1 Q4 divided by R14. So potential. Alright. Similarly, with respect to Q2 charge, due to Q2, K into Q2 Q4 divided by R24 plus with respect to Q3 charge. So K into Q3 Q4 divided by R34. That's it. This is. So any number of charges in absence of an external electric field. So final I will give you K Q1 Q2 by R12 plus K Q1 Q3 by R13 plus K Q2 Q3 divided by R23. No problem here. 1 2 also no problem, 2 1 also no problem. Why? Because this is a scalar quantity only. Correct? So nothing will happen. So plus, so K into Q1 Q4 by R14, K into Q2 Q4 by R24, finally K into Q3 Q4 by R34 plus so on. Number of charges. Number of charges. This is that what is that? What is the quadrilateral, right? Triangle, square, anything you want to consider like that. Can I draw diagram? Can I draw diagram? So for example, square will be there. Is the square. So at this point Q1, at this point Q2, at this point Q3, at this point Q4. Okay, total potential is equal to how much? So total potential. So from here to here, from here to here, from here to here. So like that. Correct or not? Same only. Common can we take? Yes. K is you can take common. Right? K you can take common. So that is. So triangle will be there. Yes, triangle. So this is the Q1, is the Q2, is the Q3. A Q1 is equal to 0 at this point potential. But next will come. Correct? Is that no? So here 0. Here U1 is equal to 0. Here U2 will come. Here U3 will come. Here U4 will come. So therefore U is equal to U1 plus U2 plus U3 plus U4. So U is equal to U1 plus U2 plus U3. U1 is equal to 0. U1 is equal to 0. U1 is equal to 0. Alright. Any number. This is the first ESA question. Very important and as well as basic concept. Basic concept. Right? Okay. Now, in the presence of electric field, in the presence of electric field, the work done not equal to 0. Correct? Not equal to 0. Then how much, sir? Yes, we will see. In the presence of electric field. In the presence of electric field. Give the very important question. This one question number I think. Question number 5 or 6? So 5. What is that? What is your question asking? Then how much, sir? What how much? Yeah, we will solve. Okay. So now 50th question. Expression for derive the okay. Expression for potential energy of a system of 2-point charges in the presence of an external electric field and presence of external electric field. Alright, that is our question mark. Very simple derivation, same like that only. Can I have that question? Can I have question? Okay, right, very good. So now is the solution. Here infinity, Q1 will be there, here infinity, Q2 will be there. Q2 will be there. So now here what should be there? The electric field. So positive to negative. The electric field is there. Correct? Electric field. Here I will consider coordinates. Y-axis and x-axis. This is the x-axis. This is the y-axis. Yes. So now Q1 we will bring from here to here. So point A. Here I will consider point A, Q1. So bringing from. So from here to here position vector is R1. Position vector is R1. That one I can bringing from here to there. So yes or no? So this is the Q2. This is the point B. So from here to here, what is that? Position vector is R2. From here to here, what is that? R12 will come. R12. Just 2 minutes. So first point, work done in bringing Q1 from infinity to point A is W1 is equal to directly W1 is equal to VA into Q1. VA into Q1. That's it, right? So there is not equal to 0. Okay? Not equal to 0. So something will be. Why? Because here potential where VA is equal to potential at A. Potential at A. Alright? So potential formula this one only. W is equal to V by Q. V is equal to W into V is equal to W by Q. W is equal to V into Q. VA into Q. Finish, that is. Right? Next. This is a W1. So therefore U1 is equal to how much? VA into Q1. Similarly, work done in bringing Q2, charge Q2 from infinity to point B. That is the W2. W2 is equal to VB into Q2. VB into Q2. Correct? VB into Q2. What is the meaning of VB? What is the meaning of VB? VB into Q2. What is the meaning of VB? Alright? V2, Q2. Then what is the meaning of V2? So, where V2 is the potential had to be due to Q1 and external electric field. External electric field, both will be there. So that VB is equal to, so potential VB into Q2, like same like that only. What is that? VA into Q1. Alright. Similarly, here they given, what is that? At this point, so Q1 is given potential. Therefore, K into Q1 by, so this is the only VB, only VB. Alright, that is a W. Excuse me, sir, Nana. VB plus Q1 into R12. Right. So now we can substitute that value in the W2. So W2 is equal to VB. What is the VB? VB into, plus K Q1 R12 into Q2. So VB Q2 plus K into Q1 Q2 by R12. This is the W2. Then total work done. W is equal to W1 plus W2. W1 is what? VA Q1 plus W2. VB Q2 plus K into Q1 Q2 by R12. This is the W. So which is nothing but potential. So VA Q1 plus VB Q2 plus K into Q1 Q2 by R12. That's it. This is the expression for potential energy of a 2-point charges in the presence of electric field. If I take V1, VA is equal to V1, VB is equal to V2. If I take VA is equal to V1, so V1 Q1 plus V2 Q2 plus K into Q1 Q2 by R12. So this one also correct. I take potential at V1. Right, very good. So potential energy finished, ma. Last sixth question, what is that? Potential energy already given, right, in the first chapter. Potential UV is equal to minus P bar dot E bar. Stable equilibrium, unstable equilibrium. So all those things I have given first chapter. You have to read it. Yes, finish it, peoples. You can leave. Right, thank you to one and all.